What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back here working on this 2022 Duramax, and in the last video here I repainted the uni sides and the front fenders. So just let it dry overnight, and just gonna pull all the masking tape off here now. I already threw the wheels on to back this thing out of here, and we can pretty much just unwrap it and put it out in the sun and see what it looks like. So it turned out pretty good. It didn't have too much damage on the uni sides and everything, just a couple little spots, and then I also fixed the rock art on it because I just went over top of it with one coat and then painted and cleared over top just to make that look all factory. And then I had one new front fender, and the other fender was just factory, but I had a little ding in it, and I also wanted to match the paint since I'm painting pretty much the whole entire thing. I've painted the doors and everything, so I just have the hood and the front bumper, and I think the box left to paint, and besides that everything else is ready to go. And I think, I don't know, I have to paint the tailgate or not, but I'm probably going to paint the tailgate because this color is just a little bit lighter than the factory, so if I just paint everything, then it should be fine. I'll have no problems trying to match anything up. So just unwrap this thing and pull it outside. Alright, so I ended up painting the last little pieces for this truck. So I painted the front bumper, the hood, and the fascias and stuff that go beside the grill, and then this kind of goes around the radio inside the, like on the dash there. It just had a pretty good scratch on the top there, so just thought I'd paint it, see how it looks, and if it doesn't look good, I'll just get a new one, but I thought it was worth a try while I was already painting. So the only thing I have left on this truck now is to paint the box, and then I can throw the doors on. I shouldn't get time today to put the doors on yet. So tomorrow I can put the doors on, throw the bumper, the hood, and the grill and everything else back together, and then yeah, let's be the box up. So I'll catch you in the morning. It's pretty late now, so let's dry a little bit, and then should get this thing finally all together, and then I can go pick up the caskets, leather in the morning too. So I'll show you that in the morning too. We'll catch you then. Alright, so got all the paint laid down in the box here, and turned out pretty good. So I let it dry overnight, and I'm just gonna pull the masking tape off here, and then I can take it out of the booth and we can set this on the truck, and then it's pretty much all together. And I also already threw the doors on and everything. So once we get this box on here, then I think I'm gonna drive back to my house, and I'm gonna start putting the lift kit on there tomorrow. So pretty much just gonna move this thing out of here, just drop it all on, and I'll see what it looks like out in the sun. Alrighty, so I pretty much got all back together here and brought it back to my house last night. So gonna put on the lift kit here this afternoon, but I pretty much got all the painted stuff back together on this thing. So I just need to do a little bit of like, the trim and stuff needs to go in the hood, the wheel well liners need to go in, and probably throw some running boards on here. And then obviously like these top caps and a few other little odds and ends like that. But for the most part, that's gonna be a wrap for this video and all the painting stuff on this truck. So in the next video, I'm gonna throw the lift kit in and then also have the Catkins leather interior for it. So, but anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for this one, and thanks for watching, and tune for the next one.
Oh my God. A little broken. Keeps getting water on the camera.
What's that? Oh no.
Oh. It's a little tipsy right now. Keep going, Dan.
I just make sure it go down that much.
That's okay. My winch is kind of dang there. Like, I'm gonna have to move the winch. I might just pull ahead a little bit,
Oh yeah, yeah.
and then I might, I might put it on the other way if I can get it to neutral.
I'll grab the bill for you there.
So sketchy. Oh my God. Come look at this, Dan. That is the sketchiest thing I've ever seen. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at it from the front. It's like hanging off the trailer.